In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add color and use blending modes in Photoshop. Okay, so we have this black and white picture here, but what if we wanted to add some color to point out what could be interesting? I'm going to make this headboard orange. So let me show you how to do that. So first what we want to do is add another layer. And now I'm going to use the selection tool to fill in the shape. Okay, and this is just like with masking or making any selections. And when you guys do this, you can be more careful. But like everything else, this is editable and fixable later. Okay, and then I'm going to hit Shift to add color here to this part. I'm including this black wire because I don't think it will be impacted. Okay, so now I'm going to find a color that I like. We can do that by just scrolling through here. Let's try, or whatever color you use in InDesign is what you can decide to go with. I'm going with this color just because I like it. I'm going to hit G. So I've just filled in this entire shape. Okay, so now this document has a color in it, and I want you to notice that because layer 1 is on top of our adjustment layer, we can see the color. If I moved this layer 1 with the orange on it underneath the adjustment layer, it would become gray. Okay, so I'm going to put it back. And now the way that we get our object to be visible through our color layer is by changing what's called the blending mode. The blending mode impacts what's light and what's dark and what's visible. So I think the best way to show you is just to show you. So if we let's say put it on multiply, what that does is it shows the black through our object. If we put it on something like overlay, what it does is it shows the white through our object. And what it's doing is blending layer 1 with the photograph underneath it. So this is how you would add color in Photoshop. Another thing that we can do here is, let's say if we want to fix things up, I can use the paintbrush to paint color in, right? As long as it's on the blending mode, it should be good. Okay. We can also delete color. When I bring this picture and place it into InDesign, what I'm really going to do is I'm probably going to cut out the pillowcase, so I'm going to make it so you can't even see the pillowcase, so it doesn't really matter if it's accurate, but I'm just going to show you how you can cut it out. Let's say we don't want the pillowcase to be colored. So I'm on layer 1 and I'm just deleting this, so now it's gone. And then I would hit save.